This video will guide you through the replacement of the battery in the L-TWOO electronic shifter lever. Use the hex wrench to insert into the bottom of the bracket cover, pry slightly, and remove the bracket cover. Take out the clamp screw. Use the PH1 Phillips screwdriver to turn the screw cover counterclockwise and remove the CR2023 button battery. When replacing the battery, insert it according to the positive and negative electrode. Cover the battery cover and tighten the screw clockwise. With the help of the hex wrench, insert the bracket cover from the tail of the shifter to complete the battery replacement. Thank you for watching this video.